So this is the coronavirus job retention scheme. It's now up and running. So I'm going to take you through a walkthrough of how to claim for your employees on 80% of their salary, and also how to calculate that as well. So let's take you through. I've got the screen right in front of me. So you just sign in to the links in above in this post to tell you where to go for the login to the sign in. So just sign into the screen. I've already signed in, so it will take me straight to this page. You would put in your unique login and your password to get into the HMRC website, into the PAYE section. It takes you to here, have you been affected by the coronavirus financially? And then you'll see here under business and self-employed support, you can claim for your furlough employees' wages, just in this bit here. Okay, so I'm going to click on that. And then if you scroll down from here, you're coming in. Now, you've got the usual stuff. Who can you claim for? Employees you can claim for, agreeing to furlough employees before you claim, and all these details that are sitting in here. And you can click on them if you want, but we're going to assume that we're just going to go straight through. So see here, right in this bit here at the bottom, if you've already worked out how much you can claim for wages online through the coronavirus there. So I'm going to click on that. So there's the claim. So we scroll down. Now, what you'll need to know before you start checking how much you can work out. Now, work out how much you can claim. We can click on that now, and I'll take you to the next section. Okay, we're going to talk about how to work out how much you have to claim for through the coronavirus job retention scheme. So we're onto the right page for the calculator, and just scroll down and you'll see calculate now. You've got all the information it puts in there, you know, how much you're going to claim, what you're going to claim for, how it works, and just go down and get the details here. So typical example here is the start date, obviously, for this month. If it was back to the beginning of March, which they're allowed to do, then clearly you would go back to the beginning of March to work this out. But for most people, maybe it's probably the 1st of April. So I'm going to assume the 1st of April this time. So the 1st of April, so 01/04/2020, and then hit the continue button. The end date would be the 30th of April if you're paid monthly. So 04/2020. You'll then go, when was the employee furloughed? Well, again, if it was the beginning of March or halfway through March, then that's the date you would use. If it was 1st of April or anywhere in between, that's the date you'd use as well. So I'm going to assume the 1st of April, 01/2020, and go through there. Has the employee's furlough ended? We're going to assume it's not. How often do you pay this employee? We're going to assume monthly on this occasion. You get choices. How is the employee paid? Well, typically it'll probably be a regular amount each time, but you do have the option to put in variable amount. I'm going to put regular. And on the 19th of March, was this employee getting paid each month? How much was the employee getting paid each month? Now, for the purpose of the exercise, we're going to assume the maximum, which is 2,500 you can claim for. But it could be less, it could be more, but it will obviously be restricted to 2,500 at the maximum. What's the last day on which this employee was paid for before the 1st of April? Well, clearly if you're paid monthly, it'll be the 31st of March. And then what's the end of the next pay period after the 31st of March? Well, clearly that would be the 30th of April again, because that's the end of the next pay period, which we're just about to do. What is the employee's pay date for the pay period ending 30th of April? Now, we're the 28th of April every single time, so I'm going to put the 28th here. 04/2020, and continue. And then which national insurance category letter then? For the purpose of the exercise, most people will be A, B, C, and J. So continue. Do you pay pension contributions for this employee? Again, most employees will now be enrolled in auto enrolment, so the answer to that would probably be yes. So we'll continue with that. And the furloughed amount calculated so far is £2,000, which is the 80% of the 2,500. Are you paying the employee more than this? You can top up to the 100% of the furloughed. Well, on this occasion, say no, because obviously there's a lot of people just saying we can only afford to pay the 80%. So continue, and there it tells you straight away what you can claim for. So that tells you what you can claim for. So you would take these figures, the 2,000 as the salary you can claim for, and then you take the national insurance employer contributions figure, and then also you would take the £44.40, which is the employer minimum pension contributions for that. And that's how the figures are calculated. Okay, so back to the main event. If you don't want to go to that next section, because you know how much you can claim already, it's just a case of scrolling down, making sure all the information is there that you need to put in, and national insurance number, how do I claim, and then there's your button there, claim now. So we go into claim, it's asking for my user ID and government gateway details, and I'll just pause it there just now and put them in. Clearly I don't want you to see them, and we'll jump to the next steps. It said you must read the following before making a claim. Accept and continue after you've read the details, and it goes through, has the employer furloughed any employees because of coronavirus? Well, clearly the answer to that will be yes, because this is what I'm showing you. So continue. Will the full amount of this claim be paid to the furloughed employees? Yes, we're assuming that the money you'll claim on behalf of the employee will be paid to the employee. There'd be a question to be answered if it isn't. Does the employer submit a company tax return? Now what it means there is a company tax return is a limited company. I'll just check my details, my documents. Just give me 2 seconds. It's a yes for a limited company and it's a no for self-employed. Okay, so we're going to assume yes on this occasion and continue. You put in your unique corporation tax reference number, which again I will put in and you'll not see. Now this will take you through to what is the name of the employer. We're just going to assume here it's, let's look at Parker Housing. Okay, and continue. And in this section you need to tell us about the claim period. Okay, so we'll continue here. So the claim period is clearly, we've said it's going to be 0104. So 0104 2020. And the end date will be, again, it will be the period of the claim will be 30/04/2020, because that's the period that we've got. Confirm the claim period. Yep, that's it there. How many employees have you furloughed? We're going to assume one, just to keep it simple. And then we're going to go to confirm. We're going to enter the total claim amounts. So this is where you get this, back to this figure, back to this one on the screen, which is the 2,000, and 80% in national insurance is 174.98, and the 44.40, which is the pension contribution. I'm just going to check my details, because if I go any further this might submit it and I don't want to do that. Because this is just an example on this occasion to show you exactly what it is. Yeah, so enter the total amounts for the claim and then check the total amounts. Yeah, you can go to that next one, which is continue, and it checks the total amounts for the claim. So see, you've got them here, and then the employee details. So you could put in next your employee details. I'm just going to say Jim Parker. And national insurance number could be CC 446587C. That's just to keep it simple. You have a payroll number optional, and continue. and check the employee's details. Again, all that information's in there like it should be. And then also we then continue. One employee added, continue, and what bank account should we pay the claim to? You go down, it's a business bank account clearly, and continue. Yep, and it'll ask for the details. So it would ask for your sort code, it'll ask for your account number, and it'll actually ask for building site roll number if you have one. And then it also goes on next. We're going to put fictitious ones in here, 88 17 44, 0098 7654, just to fill. Nothing else in there, and continue, and fill in the employer's associated bank account with the employer, which is, and it would be, you know, a typical postcode. I'll just put a dummy one in there. And the property name is property number 44, for example. And we'll go on, actually I'll do one of mine. It's just Caledonian House. And find the address. Yep, there it is there. So that is it. And confirm the address. Okay. And who should we contact about this claim? And then you could put in your details about who you contact about the claim. Now, I'm not going to go any further than that, because essentially that's it. Once you hit the continue button, the claim's been submitted, and that's you done. So I hope that helps. That is how to claim for your furloughed employees. It is straightforward, and I hope this has walked you through the whole situation. Okay, so good luck. If you've got any questions, please private message me, or you could just make a comment in the box below, and I'll get in touch with you and see if I can walk you through it and tell you a bit more about how to do it. Okay, thank you very much.